Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Morning, beautiful people.
Kicking in, it's kicking in!
I walked around the airport like an idiot.
I lived in this thing. Okay, when was the last time I had
I don't
a
know.
dairy donut?
3 years? 2 years?
I had to be 17.
What?
I had to be 17. I was in that since I was...
I thought you meant you had to be 17 to have a donut.
No.
Oh, that's funny.
All right, so where to have... Oh.
Yeah, you know what I want.
Okay, here's cinnamon.
We're having a donut. Thank you.
I swear to goodness, golly gracious, the last 6 books that I've read have all had donuts in them, and I finally am just like, you know what? I need a donut.
We waited about a week for these donuts.
Where are we going?
Airport.
You're going to Houston. We're going to the airport, and I'm going to Houston.
I just walked past this dude that said he needed these people to build robots. I'm like, what? What are you talking about right now? I'm about to fly by myself for the first time in my life. Have I flown before? Yes. Without my parents? Yes. Not by myself. Update, my gate changed. I almost went all the way down to A10 before I checked. It's A23, which is relatively in the middle, but I've gotta look for a Starbucks, and it's this way. The airport is so fun. I love the airport. Oh my god. Some people that probably travel a lot, they're like, what are you talking about? I'm like, adventure.
It's sitting out of smoke. Smoke signal. Smoke signal. It's sitting out of smoke. Smoke signal. Smoke signal.
We went to get Mexican food and I got guacamole all over me. It's fine though, it's fine though. It was really good. Good morning, beautiful people. Slept good, got here good, traffic was good. It is now the next day and we're going to a few different places. We're going to get paint swatches, we're going to get groceries. I brought nothing but pullovers, so I'm borrowing a flannel from my aunt and it kind of works perfectly with what I'm already wearing. What else? I don't know, but I'm excited. Day one. Day one. Or one day or day one. I always think about that. It's always in my head now these days. This is so fun. I love this.
Alright, let's see what this says.
Oh! Come on.
Do the pointy end.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. That mango and passion fruit together is really good. It's really good.
Alright, yeah. Get out of this place.
Okie dokie.
You can say that I'm insane, but this is my story. You always have something to say, but your words they body. Your head's in the sky, you're out of your mind, but I'm keeping my eyes on the prize. I say that I'm wasting my time, but I'll die if I don't try.
Good morning. Today I fly. The day I fly home. Camera, this is, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening here, but I'm gonna go get in the shower.
Okay, now the shower's loud. It's kicking in. It's kicking in. I'm going to the airport today. I'm going home. I'm weak now. Not really. I'm kind of crying a little bit. I really need the shower, but it's kicking in. I don't know what's kicking in, but energy. I think it's just energy. I think it's just I'm going a little crazy. My anklet fell off yesterday at some point, and I don't really know what that means. I'm taking it as like a new chapter. I'm taking it as a new chapter, like a new, I don't know what's happening. I'm going a little crazy. I'm crying. It's just woke up, or I just freaking woke up. Okay, your girl, she needs a shower. She needs a shower bad.
Little pro packing traveling tip. Instead of taking like big bottles of shampoo and conditioner, just get bars. The amount of space these takes up is nothing compared to like a big bottle of shampoo. They've lasted me a while because you can get so many uses out of them. It's like the same amount as like a big thing of shampoo and conditioner, just like condensed into a little bar. Super easy to pack and travel with. So much easier. Also, shirt that I'm wearing right now is available at bright5crew.com. I do have a new drop coming on the 28th of November, but these are available right now. Weird, funny fun fact. I've only just discovered why my favorite color is my favorite color. And for those of you that don't know, I'll put my favorite color on screen. Not only did I recently realize that it's the color teal, because I used to call it mint blue, and I just didn't know how else to describe it. I realized that it's the same color that you see when you're like underwater and you look up at the sky. It's got that like green, like mint blue tint to it. I've only just realized that it's because it's the color of water when you're looking up at the sun or the sky or just like up toward the light. What's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. Or no, better yet, what's your favorite color and why? Why is your favorite color your favorite color? Because this has been my favorite color for years, but I've never known why. It just always made me really happy. Also, has also been making me very, very happy.
Here we go.
They had us go to the other side basically because they had a machine open. And I gotta walk all the way back to my gate basically. But I secured my sticker. I'm collecting stickers from airports now. I've just decided. I decided once I already got into Houston that I was like, okay, I'm gonna collect stickers. I just don't know if I'm gonna put them on my carry-on or my check-in bag. I don't have a carry-on right now, so Detroit. There she is. What? El Paso? Did I seriously just see that say El Paso? Billy the Kid who? That's what me and my aunt talked about pretty much the entire way here, was just all Billy the Kid. Because that's all we can bring ourselves to think about. I'm getting my dragon drink. I need to remember to get a Detroit one. Because I don't have a Detroit sticker and I feel like I should have one because that's home. When I was in Detroit, I walked around the airport like an idiot. Like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I think they probably all thought I was crazy. And then I forgot to fill my water bottle. I do have not wearing a watch. I do have a few hours. All right. We are on the move. Hope this thing works. Love my OCTOBUDDY my whole life. I feel like there's been a few times that the water bottle thing does not work. And it's really unfortunate. There's an airplane. I'm at the airport. Oh my god, it's kicking in. It's kicking in. It's kicking in. I'm getting really excited. There she is. My ride home. This is so funny to me. I think this is hilarious. There's literally 2 other passengers sitting at my gate. It is noon, and I don't think my plane leaves until like 2 something. So I've got 2 hours to kill. I've also got Billy the Kid to watch. I downloaded it on my iPad. Craziness. I just remember that there was a TikTok I wanted to film about book shopping in the airport when I've got a crap ton of books at home, and quite frankly I think I might go film that because I have time. But now that I'm sitting here, I don't want to get up. That's the kerfuffle right now. I don't want to get up. Funny story, that's not my plane. I'm realizing now that that's not my plane. They're not that ahead of schedule. This was really good. And I didn't get ice because ice bugs me. Ever since I started drinking bubble tea, I just haven't been getting ice with my drinks because the ice, like, it slows you down, which I guess is a good thing. Once you get to the bottom of it and you can't get to the boba or the poppers or whatever, but you get poppers, boba, bubbles, jelly, whatever you want to call it, beans even, you can't get to it because the ice is there. So I just stopped getting ice. And I don't mind things like room temperature. Like, I generally get more flavor when things are room temperature. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're chilling and we're vibing. My backpack, my travel buddy, and my crew neck is behind me. This thing, when I tell you guys that I lived in this thing, Like, I only took technically 3 sweatshirts. I took this one, obviously, gotta represent. I mean, hello. The Tea Stain Pages hoodie and my sweater that you guys love that like doesn't have shoulders, you know, it's like the gray knit sweater. I wore the knit sweater like once. The hoodie probably 3 or 4 times. Everything else here. Everything else. My cousin, I don't know what he was thinking. It seemed like every time he saw me, I was in this crew neck. I just burped with a sneeze motion. What? I feel like I could sit and talk to this camera for hours, and quite frankly, that's kind of what I'm trying to do. I can see you. There's a guy. There's a guy walking underneath because they're all, you know, they're working on the plane and stuff, loading the luggage up. They're moving the little trolleys around. This guy's just like looking at me, smiling, and I waved and he waved back. That was so wholesome. Whoever you are, if you ever see my channel,
Peace and love to you. I appreciate your energy. That was sweet. That was wholesome. I'm leaving that in. That was so cute. He's so, oh, that was precious. He had a very kind energy. Oh my God, I can see like the pilots in the cockpit. That's insane. I love watching planes take off. It's so funny. As much as I, never have I ever in a million years thought I would ever see a butterfly in an airport. That was like Jojo saying he's with me. That was so precious. Yeah, that's not my plane. They're, whoa. I've never seen this happen. I know it does, but I'm literally watching. I'm watching like the loading dock be condensed, rotated, and moved. And there's a big cat, bobcat, on that airplane. That's strange. Oh, that plane's about to take off. Oh, here he goes. I get so entertained by this. Like, am I crazy? Southwest. I really did come at a good time though, because when my aunt dropped me off, I walked right up to like the check-in bag station. Both ladies were like, hey, you know, how are you doing? I was like, I'm doing okay. And I was shaking. I get like so shaky when I'm not scared because I don't have anything on me. I don't have any reason to be scared, but my whole body's just like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And so I'm like trying to pull out my ID, you know, I'm all shaky. I can't get the dang zipper out my wallet. But I walked right up, they got my bag tagged, and then I took it to drop off, dropped it off, and then I went in line for security. And when I tell you that it's like a shit ton of people showed up right after me. I knew I was early, so I was fine, but I was like, holy crap, I came in a really good time. So much to the point where there was a TSA lady that was like, they have an extra machine open. I think I was explaining this earlier. They have an extra machine open on the other side of the airport, and that's why we had to like go around and so then I got like right through security. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Because I could have waited. I really could have. Oh, and there's a plane coming in. There's a plane landing. My JoJo used to work on planes, and I love that. I wonder if that subconsciously is like where my love of planes comes from. As much as I am against climate change and all that other fun stuff, I love the airport. Oh, 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 oh. And touchdown, touchdown. Touch the ground. And he's down! That's so fun, that's so cool. Anyway, I think my phone is overheating because it's getting darker. So I'm gonna stop this and go walk around, find a little bookstore, film a little TikTok. Okay, so I was able to film a little book shoppy-y scene, and I found hippies. I knew they were gonna be in the airport somewhere. See, now there's a lot of people walking around. I knew they were gonna be in the airport somewhere, so I literally went to like all the different little like, you know, Houston stores, because that's where they have like just random goods and stuff. And I found hippies, and now I'm all excited. I was like, it's mostly air, but it's still hippies, so I'm excited. A woman that just passed, she looked at me while I was filming, and she goes, good Lord. I'm a content creator, it's what I do. All these people are looking at me like I'm some weirdo, but you know what, honestly, I'm embracing it. I can have such full confidence walking around when I'm by myself filming. With the right music and a good snack in my hand, I can conquer it. I'm gonna edit, I've got about an hour. It is, I think, 1:15-ish, 1:11, maybe 1:12, I don't know. But an hour before boarding, and I always sit in the back of the plane. I just like sitting at the back in a window seat. I'm a window girl. So I've got time, Gone to the bathroom, got my snack, had my drink. If I need to drink anything else, I need water. I need to drink more water. Everybody and their brother knows that I need to drink more water. So our plane's not here yet, but we're chilling.
It's sitting out of smoke.
Welcome once again, everyone, to Delta Flight 2354 with service to Detroit. My name is Julie. I'll be your flight leader on today's flight.
Isn't that my hair? You playing with my hair? My hair? Yeah? I got little baby hairs, yeah. We're here And mission number 1 is to find stickers. I went into one spot, they didn't have any stickers. So I'm like, yeah. But I know which carousel my baggage claim is. Oh, there's a flight going to Houston. What do you know? Detroit sticker acquired. I gotta have my home airport. Like, I love the Detroit airport. I love this airport. And I got the license plate one because we are the Motor City. So it just made sense in my brain. Now I gotta bust a move to carousel 9 because I hope my bag is still on the plane, but maybe not. I don't know. Also, almost forgot, one of the flight attendants gave me a cookie. She was like, I love your website, it's so cute. And I was like, oh my God, I don't think I can eat it, but I'm going to. It's got milk in it, but it's dark chocolate. I'm eating it. I was like, you just made my day. Like, that was so precious. She was like, because first she saw my shirt when I was like boarding, you know? And she was like, ooh, Red Vibe Crew, I like that. I was like, think it's my brand. And she's like, what? And I was like, yeah. So then I was like, I don't have any more stickers on me. I gotta carry more stickers on me. But I found the thank you card for when I ordered this. So I was like, universe is with me. And she gave me cookies. So funny though, because I walk around the Detroit airport and it's like, I look at certain gates and I remember certain trips. Like this gate right here, my Florida trip. So gate 23 in the Houston airport, that's the gate that me and my sister had last time we went to Houston, which was like almost 2 years ago already. Crazy, wicked wild. And then I think it was gate 5, ironically. The same gate I just like came in from was our going gate to Houston. I look at gates here and I just see like my past trips, like my history and like where I've been. They haven't had the fountain on the last like 3 times I've been in the airport, and I'm really upset about that because the fountain's so cute. The lights in the terminal tunnel thing, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, okay. Luggage claim, here I come. Oh, the sign says?
Yeah, I already looked.
Oh, okay. I'm crying. I'm crying. Oh, okay, well that was fun.